Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun, well, we're going to be having a look at one of these unusual items again, and this time we're looking at a flashing crystal ball helicopter type thing. Now I saw these on eBay and they look kind of interesting, and I've seen a couple of other YouTubers have also picked them up. So anyway, this is going to be kind of my take on it. So anyway, let's start by basically going through what you get in the box, and then I'll show you it actually working. So the first thing out the box is basically a USB cable with a little end here, and that's to charge the internal battery on this item. And finally we actually have the item itself, and it's extremely light. It doesn't have much to it. You basically got your charging port and you've got an on and off switch on it, and it's got an eye sensor, so basically it should hover and illuminate, and as you get nearer it will take off and fly. So anyway, next let's go and test this unit and see what it's like. Well, there you go, there's my quick look at a flashing crystal ball device, and yes, it's quite fun and probably more fun to use when it's a darkened room because you can see it more, but it's something just to play around with. They're really quite cheap, and if you want to sort of give your kids something to have some fun with, and also maybe introduce them to a sort of drone helicopter thing, it's probably a good starting point with some younger kids. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.